18th November, Bangalore, a landmark moment in India's scientific innovation story. Strand Life Sciences, a Reliance subsidiary and a global leader in genomics and precision medicine, marks its 25th anniversary with the unveiling of the next generation of AI-powered genomic and diagnostic platforms. For 25 years, Strand has stood at the intersection of biology and technology, from being India's first IISc bioinformatics spin-off, to conducting groundbreaking cancer risk studies, to operating the country's first CAP-accredited genomics lab. Today, the company takes a bold leap into the future. At the heart of this milestone are three breakthrough platforms: Strandomics 2.0, CyTORX AI, and CancerSpot 2.0, each redefining what is possible in preventive, precision, and research-driven healthcare. The first breakthrough is Strandomics 2.0, an advanced AI-powered engine built for faster, deeper, and more intelligent genetic data interpretation. This next-gen platform can now read and understand complex clinical descriptions straight from doctors' prescriptions, connecting symptoms, genes, and medical literature with unprecedented speed. The result: faster, more accurate genetic insights for clinicians, and more clarity for patients who rely on genomic testing for critical decisions. Next is CyTORX AI, a powerful leap for cancer researchers and global pharma. As the world moves towards single-cell precision, CyTORX AI helps scientists build and analyze large-scale single-cell datasets using artificial intelligence. This level of fine-resolution intelligence accelerates cancer drug discovery, enabling researchers to identify how individual cells behave, react, and evolve inside tumors. Simply put, CyTORX AI brings researchers one step closer to developing targeted, effective therapies for some of the world's toughest cancers. And finally, the future of early cancer detection, CancerSpot 2.0. Building on the success of the original CancerSpot test, the upgraded version now expands detection from 10 to 14 cancer types. The platform is trained with 70% more samples, significantly boosting accuracy and reliability. This advancement strengthens the promise of catching cancers early, often before symptoms appear, giving patients a much better chance at timely treatment and survival.
Strand is a 25-year-old company. We were the first company to start spin-off from a major public university, the Indian Institute of Science. We focus on omics, which means measuring the DNA and various other things like bacteria and inside the body, and apply that to two things: drug discovery and to precision health or precision medicine. We have a number of tests that help the cancer patient from early detection to risk assessment to treatment selection to monitoring. And in reproductive health, we work on ensuring that non-invasively, by testing the mother, you can ensure that the fetal health is good. In drug discovery, we use cutting-edge AI and omics technologies to improve the efficiency, because the cost of drug discovery is high and there's a lot of attrition, and improving the odds can reduce costs and improve throughput overall. Among our major milestone key achievements is the first early detection test for cancer in India, and it is a test that is purely blood-based, involves no radiation, has gone through a lot of rigorous statistical validation, and we will go through even more studies in the future, and it promises to cut down the number of invasive procedures that are needed to detect cancer early by many, many fold. Anything you'd like to add?
Affordability of the tests, I think, is another aspect that Strand has really specialized on. And fortunately for us also, genomics and the omics technologies have rapidly brought the costs down. In combination with our data analysis AI, now we are able to provide these tests at an affordable level for moving towards public health at population scale.
And one of our parent company, of course, is Reliance. It's a key strategic partner for us. And the chairman's vision is that breakthroughs in genomics will redefine human health. And using deep tech, healthcare, AI, and genomics, we can make a major difference to the health of 1.5 billion Indians. And that is the vision that we are driven by.